Hey everyone. Young women barely out of their teens are working in factories. They're painting watch dials with a luminous substance, radium. It glows in the dark and it's all the rage, but there's a catch. Radium is radioactive and these girls were told it was safe. They were even encouraged to lick the brushes to get a fine point. Can you imagine? At first it seemed harmless, but then the symptoms started. Painful jaws, loose teeth, bones literally disintegrating. The cause: radium poisoning. These brave women fought back. They sued their employers, which was unheard of at the time. They faced ridicule, disbelief, and a drawn-out legal battle. But they didn't give up. Their courage led to improved workplace safety standards and regulations. They forced the world to acknowledge the dangers of radium and protect future workers. The Radium Girls story is a haunting reminder of the cost of progress and the power of perseverance. Their legacy lives on in every workplace safety law and in the continued fight for workers' rights. So next time you check the time, remember the Radium Girls and their sacrifice. Thanks for watching. If you found this story as compelling as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more intriguing tales from history. See you next time.